Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're passionate about animation or just starting out, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 free animation software for beginners. These tools will help you create animations for YouTube, social media, or even just for fun. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. First up is Blender. Blender is a completely free, open-source software packed with professional-level tools. It's well known for 3D modeling, but it also has powerful animation capabilities. Blender offers rigging, keyframing, and even simulation tools for creating dynamic, lifelike animations. It also includes a full video editor and compositing tools, making it great for everything from short animations to full projects. The learning curve is steeper, but with plenty of tutorials online, it's an amazing choice for beginners who want to dive deep into animation. Pencil 2D. If you're interested in traditional 2D animation, Pencil 2D is a fantastic option. This lightweight open-source software lets you create hand-drawn animations with ease. Pencil 2D has a simple interface, making it ideal for beginners. You can work with bitmap and vector graphics, giving you flexibility in your designs. This software focuses on the essentials, perfect if you're looking to get started with classic frame-by-frame animation without being overwhelmed by complex tools. Next up is Synfig Studio, a powerful 2D animation tool for those looking to create professional quality animations. It uses vector graphics, allowing you to work with smooth animations even at high resolutions. Synfig offers features like bone rigging for character animation, which helps with smoother movement, and advanced controls for facial expressions. Synfig's dual interface, basic and advanced, means you can ease into animation at your own pace. While it can take a bit of time to learn, it's one of the best free tools for 2D animation out there. Number 4. OpenToonz. OpenToonz is an industry-grade software that's totally free and open source. It's used by studios like Studio Ghibli and is highly customizable, making it ideal for serious animators and those aiming to work in the industry. OpenToonz has tools for both traditional and digital animation, including advanced color correction and special effects. It also supports scanning in hand-drawn frames and refining them digitally, perfect for a hybrid approach to animation. Although it can be complex, OpenToonz is incredibly powerful once you get the hang of it. Finally, Krita is known primarily as a digital painting tool, but has a strong animation feature set. Krita's frame-by-frame animation feature allows for easy, traditional-style animations. The interface is intuitive, and you have access to a range of brushes and layers to create detailed artwork and animations. Krita's onion skinning feature lets you see previous frames as you draw, making it perfect for smooth animations. It's great for beginners looking to create 2D animations with a focus on beautiful hand-drawn style. Which one are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this list helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. Happy animating!